Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Offspring. Offspring means person's child or children. For example, the offspring of middle-class parents. The offspring of middle-class parents. Synonyms: children, sons and daughters, progeny.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. A traditional craft, it is passed on from parents to their offspring. Now, repeat after me. A traditional craft, it is passed on from parents to their offspring. The second exemplar. Grandparents, particularly grandmothers, cared for the offspring of married sons or daughters. Now, repeat after me. Grandparents, particularly grandmothers, cared for the offspring of married sons or daughters. The third exemplar. Many parents moan about their offspring rising at the crack of dawn. Now, repeat after me. Many parents moan about their offspring rising at the crack of dawn.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The motto on the Royal Coat of Arms of the United Kingdom is in French. It says, Dieu et mon droit, or, God and my right.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.